The difference between the unpaid balance method and the average daily balance method is with the unpaid balance method is it is possible to not be charged any interest if you pay your balance in full. Interest is only charged at the end of the month when there is a turnover in money. If you pay off your bill, there's no balance to charge the interest on. With the average daily balance method, you are charged interest immediately for every day on whatever balance is accrued. For this example, we're going to apply the average daily balance method. We are using the same scenario as the previous example, except this time we need to see on what days the transactions actually occurred. So as you can see here, October 1st, we have an outstanding balance. Any bill that has a previous month's balance will always start out on the first of that day with an outstanding balance. So you can see here we have our outstanding balance of $450. Then we have our hard drive for $61. There was a payment made, $150, the backpack purchase, and of course the frame. So on October 1st, there was a balance of $450. Then on October 3rd, you go out and you purchased a hard drive for $61. You now have a balance of $511. We just add these two together. On October 5th, you make a payment, $150. Subtract that, and we have $361. So your balance so far by October 5th is $361. On the 13th, you go out and you purchase a backpack for $39. You now have a balance of $400. And then your final transaction for the month of October, you bought a picture frame for your girlfriend's birthday for $32.50. So we have $432.50. So now all we have to do is determine how many days each one of these transactions or each one of these balances was at that. $450, it was there for 2 days, the October 1st and 2nd, because by the 3rd, you then purchased a hard drive. So it had a balance of $450 for 2 days. Since we're looking for an average, that's what we're going to do. So how long was it at $511? Well, for 2 days, because by the 5th, you made a payment. So this is also 2 days. So we do that for each one. From October 5th to October 13th, that's 8 days. Then 13 days. Now keep in mind that October has 31 days, and you have to count that last day. So how long was it at $432.50? Well, that was for 6 days. So if you tally up all these days, it should tally up to the number of days in the month. For this particular month, October, it would be 31 days. Then we just multiply the 450 times 2, that's 900. 511 times 2, that's 1,022. 361 times 8, 2,888. 400 times 13, it's 5,200. $432.50 times 6, that's 2,595. We then tally all this up, add it all up. It adds up to 12,605. And then we divide this by 31 days. Divided by 31, that's the number of days in the month. And we have an average daily balance of $406.61. This is what is charged, the interest. Again, it's going to be the simple annual interest. I is equal to P times R times T. P, that's the $406.61. The rate, we're using the last example's rate. That's 19%, if you recall. And 1/12 of a year, that's our time. That's 0.08333333 are 8 decimals. So now I'm just going to go ahead and type this into our calculator just as you see it there. 406.61 times 19% times 0.083333 and 3. Hit enter. So the interest that's going to be charged is $6. And again, we're going to round to the nearest penny and 44 cents. So this is $6.44. Now B says determine the outstanding balance for December's statement. So December's statement, the balance is the carryover from the previous month. This is November's statement. December's is the next one. We ended up with a balance of $432.50. So that's the balance that's going to go on to the next statement. $432.50. Plus, we have to add on the interest, and that's the $6.44. So what is the outstanding balance for December's statement? That's going to be $438.94.